KevG weather overview, taking a look at the severe weather threat. We've got a threat for strong damaging wind gusts and a few isolated tornadoes, believe it or not. This is for tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night. This is from the Storm Prediction Center. They have an enhanced risk of severe weather in the area in orange. So do pay attention tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night for possible watches and warnings in this area. And we're going to be on the lookout. And we have some ingredients that are really favorable for the development of these types of storms tomorrow. Not so much today, but we could see an isolated one. The models are not really picking up on anything that widespread for today, Sunday. But for tomorrow, it's a different story, and we'll look at that in just a second. Now, the satellite picture shows plenty of clouds around, and we will be fighting cloud cover all day, particularly at a time tonight when a lot of people are going to be looking out for the lunar eclipse. And unfortunately, we'll have plenty of cloud cover, but we could see some breaks in there, so hopefully we will catch a break upon the time of the eclipse tonight. So we are fighting clouds today, but our temperatures are still solidly in the 70s. The NAM model doesn't show much in the way of activity today. When you look at it for tonight, it does show a little bit of activity scattered around. It's going to be here, hit or miss tonight. But then tomorrow, we're going to see a strong upper disturbance come in, and that's going to really be the driving mechanism to trigger showers and thunderstorms. And this is where the activity could be strong to severe when we look at it between 5 o'clock tomorrow afternoon into about 10 o'clock tomorrow night. And the NAM model actually does pick up on it, and it has a pretty potent line of storms. And this would be around between 8 and 11 o'clock tomorrow night. Now, the sun would be down at that point, but the atmosphere is primed because this strong upper disturbance has a lot of spin with it, and the jet stream is very strong. So these factors might overcome the fact that the sun will be going down at that particular time. After we get rid of the storms on Monday, we are high and dry for Tuesday, and we'll generally deal with warmer weather and seasonable to maybe even above normal temperatures, particularly by the weekend. And here we are for Wednesday, high pressure in control. We have a shortwave, like a weak upper disturbance diving through Thursday, but that'll clear early. So I think Thursday is going to be okay too, with highs in the 70s. And then for Friday, we may see a few afternoon showers, but the Weather Service has our temperatures still in the mid to upper 70s in a lot of places. And then Saturday, it gets hot. I mean, we're going to have the hottest day of the year so far on Saturday, with highs generally solidly in the 80s everywhere. That might be your first big beach day. Now, if you look in the Southern Gulf, there actually is a disturbance that the model is trying to spin up. So this is for Sunday, the 22nd. We're high and dry here, but if you look towards the Southern Gulf, the weather model wants to try to develop some sort of early tropical cyclone. So that's something to keep in mind as well. So the signs of summer are everywhere across the eastern part of the United States. Now, our temperatures today will probably be up near 80 today, with breaks of clouds and plenty of sunshine to warm us up sufficiently. And then Monday, ahead of that front, we're 75, and then watch for that severe storm possibility late in the day. Tuesday, not much cooler, so the air mass doesn't really change appreciably after Monday's front, but then we cool it back down a little on Wednesday with highs around 70. Basically a pleasant day on Thursday with maybe a morning shower, but highs around 70 again. And then Friday, here we go. Highs around 80, and then the warmest day of the year, it looks like, on Saturday. So that might be the beach day for a lot of people who are yearning for a good excuse to go to the shore. So plenty of summer on the map. We are switching gears. We'll see what happens into next week, whether the pattern will continue to hold. My guess is that it will, we won't dramatically cool back down, but it is still May after all. May is a tricky month, but signs of summer everywhere on the weather map this week.